As a deep lover of all things food, I wasn't surprised by what we heard from our diverse community of 500 consumers. The art and practice of cooking, eating in community, and sharing traditions matter more than ever in a time of uncertainty and anxiety. Food has become an anchor. What's clear is that brands have an opportunity to lean into food as culture, as a way of expressing lived experiences, values, and traditions. Consumers showed us how. A Caribbean immigrant passing traditions to younger generations through recipes and cooking lessons. An Asian Gen Z consumer recognizing food as the ultimate expression of love, even when it isn't spoken aloud. White Gen Z shares her love of blending foods across cultures, from international cuisines to regional state favorites, creating potlucks that give opportunities to have friends sample each other's culture and family traditions. A Latino Gen Z is proud of how his family welcomes new people and adapts to new preferences and needs. If you have a food restriction, we will make you a side dish. Food isn't just nourishment, it's a way to show you care. It's a powerful cultural bridge that brands can authentically connect with. Brands can tap into this by showing everyday cooking, gatherings, and celebrations, showcasing people across age groups, ethnicities, and cultural traditions, using food to say, I love you, and I recognize how important you are to me. From Ohio favorites to Mexican tamales to gluten free dishes, it all shows you care.